Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we'll see that how we can control the notifications in our computer. So you might have seen that many times it basically pop-ups the notifications for different applications. Sometimes it is for Chrome, sometimes it is for different applications, right? So basically you can control all these notification settings through the settings option. So first of all, you need to go to settings. So how you can go to settings? So from your keyboard, you just need to type the Windows key. So either you can do that, or we have the option here, type here to search. So what you can do, just click here, and here you will see the option settings. Now here you will see the option settings. You just click on this one, and here in the settings option you will see one option systems. So just click this section systems, and here in the systems you will see this notifications and actions. Just click this one, and here you will see this options notifications. So currently if you see that here this options is enabled. Here this option enabled means get notifications from apps and other sender, and that is the reason that you get the notifications. Again we have some settings. Let's say if your notifications is on, so if like here we can say show notifications on the lock screen. If you doesn't want to show on lock screen, you can just untick this, right? Even we have different options like show reminders and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen, or like allow notifications to play sound. As well as we have options like show me the Windows welcome experience after update, and occasionally when I sign it to highlight, then do this. Otherwise we also get notifications of get tips, tricks and suggestion that you use, right? So these are the some of the settings. Again if you see, even for each applications we can control the notification settings. So if you see that here for all these applications we have the notification enabled, but for this Microsoft Teams our notifications are disabled. So basically I have disabled the Microsoft Team notification, that is why it is off. Let's say if I don't want to have the notifications for this mail also, then I can also turn it off, right? So based on your requirement, based on your choice, you can set the notification setting here, right? Now in fact even if you, let's say if you turn off all these notification settings, so now you can see that there is no notifications option here visible now, right? Because we have turned off the notifications, right? So by default these settings are these are not controlled by this one. So even if you off this, it will show tick. If you don't want to get it, so you can just untick this, right? So this is how you can control the notification settings. Now if you see in notifications we have one option as well, which is focus assist setting. So basically let's say if you want to control that when you want to get the notifications, when you don't want to get notifications, then we can even try this focus assist as well. So this is again very wonderful thing that we can do. So just click on this one option, focus assist setting. Now in focus assist you can basically have all this control. So basically by default it gives you this option off. So off means you will get all the notifications from your applications and contact, right? So let's say if you don't set this one, so it will automatically be off. Now let's say if you click on this priority only, so priority only means then you can see only selected notifications from the priority list, right? The rest will go straight to the action center, means the rest will go to action center but won't display on your screen. So here even we can have our priority list. So how you can do the priority list? You can see here that manage which notifications are allowed, the rest will go straight to the action center. Alarms will still work, right? So this automatically includes the alarm. Right now if you see that here we have this call, text and reminder. So we are saying that in my priority list these are the options like show incoming calls including this one. So it means I'm saying that let's say if there is an incoming call, then it should always be shown here. It should always be shown as a notifications, right? Because this is I am setting as a priority list. Let's say if you untick this, then even if it is incoming call, it won't show up here. Secondly, we have reminders. Let's say if you have mail reminders, if you have meeting reminders, then it will always be showing here, right? So generally if you see that priority list is basically like these two things are important, right? That is why it is showing as ticked. If you want to untick it, you can even untick this one, right? Then again we can have control this one, like only apps that support this feature will show notification from people you choose including mail, Skype, calling, messaging and few others, right? Let's say show notification from the pinned contact on taskbar. Let's say if you have pinned some contacts on the taskbar, and if there is a notification from them, so it will basically show notifications, right? So basically you can add the contact here and then it will be showing the notifications. So you can get the control, that is why it is showing people. Now here even we can have the notification from the application. Show notification from the apps you add to the list below. So like right now I have added the notifications from these app. Like if there is any notification from this app, then show here. If I don't want, or if I want to add some more, so I can easily add that, right? So this is how I can have my priority list now. So this is one of the options that we can do. Now another option we have is alarms only. It says that hide all the notification except for the alarm. So it will show you notifications only for the alarms, otherwise it will not show, right? Then we have some other automatic rules as well. So it says that choose the times and activities when you don't want to be disturbed, and focus assist will turn on automatically. So what it says when you don't want to get disturbed. So let's say if it is on, then I'm saying that from 11 to 7 I don't want to be disturbed, right? Because generally if you see from 11 to 7 time is the sleeping time. So I'm saying that at this time there is no point of notifications. So at this point I'm making it on, so that I don't want to be disturbed, right? And this will work only for the priority only. So if you select this one, then this option will work, right? Same is this one. If you see here also we have this priority only. So this application will work when this is priority only. And what it means, it says that when I'm playing a game, that generally when you play a game, so you don't want to be disturbed, right? So that is why it is saying that when you don't want to be disturbed, so when you are playing game you don't want to be disturbed, so just turn it on and then it won't show you notifications, right? So basically this list is for the choose and times and activity when you don't want to be disturbed, right? So when I'm playing a game I don't want to be disturbed, so that is why turn it on. But if you are selecting priority only, then this work only, right? Now see this case. So this will work alarms only. So let's say if I'm selected this one, and when I'm duplicating my display, so it's saying, let's say if I duplicate my display, so whenever I'm duplicating my display, then in this case this I should not get the notifications, right? Now we have another options as well. When I'm using an app in full screen mode, so it says, let's say if I'm watching a movie and in this case there is a notification, so generally I don't want to get disturbed at that time, right? So even if it says alarms only, so it says if you have set this alarms only, then you can turn it on, right? So these are some of the options that we can control. Then here we have show me a summary of what I missed while focus assist was on. So let's say if your focus assist is on, whether it is, because if it is off, then it means your focus assist is off. But if it is on, means either it is selected with this priority only or this alarms only. And if you miss something, then it will show you summary of this one, right? So this is all about the focus assist that we can do using this one, right? So basically using focus assist we can control the notifications part. So again, let it be off. So this is what we can do. We can do in notifications things. We can turn off and on notifications. We can control all the setting. Even we can control the each application whether we want to show on or off, right? So that's all from the notifications thing. And if you have any doubts, then please write in the comment section. I will try to explain that. And guys, if you have liked the video, then please like it and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.